My beautiful friends, how you are doing? Let's get started. Tap there once. That's gonna get us ready for the word of the day. And the word in question is ticker. Follow me closely. T is long press release. I is tap tap. C is long press release tap, long press release tap. And the next is long press release tap, long press release. And the next is tap, and the next is tap, long press release tap. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your ticker. Take your prize. Don't forget, in a few minutes from now, we are going to be decoding the mini game, the key puzzle game. There is now a playground. If you click on this, it's going to show you this game. I've made a video about how to play it. Okay, if you want to see that video, check the channel or check the linked video in the description. And of course, in a few minutes from now, I'm also going to be uploading a part 2 to how to play this game. There are a few other interesting things you might want to pay attention to, so you'll be able to play this game successfully. If you're wondering why we need to play the game, well, according to the Hamster team, we need to keep accumulating these keys. Okay, they are very important assets that could be used for whatever in the future. Okay, so this is it for this video. This is Briggs LBs and it's Ken signing off for now.